Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem, which is that when you are using the tablet, the ads show up again and again. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazu Manthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that the tablet is right now idle. You can see an ad has appeared. This ad appeared automatically. I am showing it for educational purposes only. I will close the ad. Now if I go back and then scroll down and then go to settings and then again scroll down, then scroll up and then again go back and then again scroll, you can see that again an ad appeared. Now if I will close this ad again, the same will happen again and again. Warning, the method I am about to show you will delete all the data on your tablet, so make sure to back up your data first. So viewers, what you have to do is go to settings, then tap on search settings and type there reset. Then tap on reset options. After that, tap on erase all data, factory reset, and then what you have to do is scroll down and then tap on reset phone and then tap on erase everything. Now tablet will restart. Now viewers, I will connect the tablet with the Wi-Fi. You can see it is now asking for the Wi-Fi password. I will enter it. Now viewers, you can see that the tablet is connected with the Wi-Fi and now the ads are not showing up. You can see it.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.